Is this your first time in the snow? This is the blizzard of 2013. Yeah. This is your first time seeing snow ever and touching it. What do you think? Do you love the snow? There's so much snow. What do you think? You're sitting on a mountain of snow. You're 10 months old. Taking it out, looking at Daddy? Yeah? I love your snowsuit, Charlie.